Hey guys, it's Chase. Welcome back to a new video. Long time no see. Alright, so we have a PlayStation 4 Slim that came in with an HDMI problem. It looks like the HDMI port is like bent and broken, so let's go to the microscope and have a look. Alright, so here's the port, and I mean, as you can see, this port is not good. So first thing first, I always like to do is to remove this foam piece here. Sometimes you can use a little bit of alcohol to soften that adhesive there. That'll do. Apply some Amtech 559 version 2 flux around the port here. Alright, let's go ahead and remove this port here. We're using 480 degrees Celsius for the heat and 100 for the airspeed with my quick 861 DW. Alright, you see how that port just kind of did that? And we just kind of touch it real quick and pull right up. Boom. Alright, job's done. No, just kidding. Alright, now job's not done. Right, so let's clear out these holes here. Yeah, baby. You want to watch more Cocomelon? Use a little bit of flux here. I'm going to take our soldering iron. I'm using a chiseled tip for this job. The temperature is set to 700 degrees Fahrenheit. And we are using some leaded solder to tin these pads here. Got a little bit of solder here. Let's go ahead and clear this out. Alright, that'll be fine. Alright. So let's add a little bit more flux here. We'll go ahead and clear up these pads here. Alright. And go ahead and lift this up. Take a little bit of alcohol here. We're just going to go ahead and use a Q-tip. Just scrub it on down. Clean up this area. You want to make it nice and fresh, super clean. Look nice and good. Alright, perfecto. Alright, now, the next part. Put some flux down on these pads here. Grab ourselves a slim HDMI port for the PS4. Alright. We should be able to set our port right down in there. There we go. I'm going to add some flux to the top side here. Now this is my favorite part. Alright. So apply a little bit of solder, about like that. We're going to go ahead and flow these into the board here. Alright. Now let's go ahead and lift up the board here so we can get a little bit better of an angle so you guys can see it. My weight balance is set to horrible, so okay. Perfect. Put some flux down. We'll use the Northridge Fix brush to clean it out there. Alright. So I got swap tips here. I'm going to be using my famous knife blade. I absolutely love this tip. It works so good for so many things. And the thing it works great for, in my opinion, is doing these anchors on HDMI connectors. Alright, so we add some flux there. I'm going to bring up the tip here. Heat up both joints at the same time. And just flow solder into it. We're going to need a lot of solder here. Not like a whole lot, but like a lot.
Here you go.
Oh, thank you.
Here you go.
Alright. Okay, so that side is done. I'm going to heat up this side. You can see that the HDMI port is actually already hot, so it's accepting solder, which is really good. We'll flow it back and forth as we're holding the heat to it. And just because I have OCD really bad.
Here you go.
Oh, thank you. There we go. Really cleaned up that area of solder there. Alright, let's use some alcohol. And we're going to go ahead and just clean up this area of the board here.
I had to work.
You had to work? Are you working hard for me? Alright. Alright. Okay. Job is done. Let's go ahead and test it out.
Stormy in the Black Forest.
You're so sweet. And it's working. Also, if you guys need anything fixed, the shop address is linked down below, as well as my contact info. That will be it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will see you guys in the next video. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year, guys.